Hi, just a quick update on the Land Cruiser refit. Today's the day, finally. We've got some movement. We have a slight problem with the gearbox, which is a bit worrying. So hard to get hold of in the Philippines, and also they're expensive. So I've got a guy coming out, and I sort of put everything on hold until I know that that can be fixed on the cheap, well, not on the cheap, but fixed properly. So I haven't got to buy a new one before sort of carrying on with the detail. Today we're actually pulling out the carpet that's inside. We're totally taking out all the carpets, we're taking out all the door inserts. Let me turn the camera around, it would help. Yeah, so today we've pulled out the seats, we're pulling everything out here, and we're going to recarpet. When I say recarpet, we're not actually putting the carpet in, we're putting a black leather in. Obviously it's black opt theme, so that'll be the flooring. Leather flooring there. And then we're going to get the seats refurbed, totally refurbed. Again in black, a nice checkered black. It's pretty cool, and that'll go on all the seats. There's two seats in the back that I'm taking them out. I won't reupholster them. I'm just going to take them out and keep them and clean them and give them, if I sell the vehicle in the end, then I can give them the seats. But we're having a box built in the back for storage, and the seats won't fit with the box. But I'm not going to throw the seats out, I'll just keep them. And then the owner, if he wants to convert back to how it should be, or it was originally, then he has the option. So let's have a little look around. What a state, eh? What a state. Messy, messy, messy. But, you can see, work is underway, they're pulling everything out. I've got loads of wiring that he's doing. The wiring is awful. Wiring looms. Electricians come in soon. Hopefully by the weekend. It's now Thursday. And the electrical work will get underway. The flooring will be done in the next couple of days, and so will the seats. Again, I'm still not sure what to do with some of the interior. The inside door inserts will have the same pattern and style leather on them as the seats. But I think it'd be too much if I sort of kept the same pattern theme going on the dashboards and on the middle console, the ice box as I call it. But we'll see how it progresses and I'll make that decision. So, any Toyota enthusiasts out there, I really want to change the console on the front, but I know it's a big job, especially electrically. So any advice you can give me, if you've done a refurb yourself on a Land Cruiser, then please hit me up on Messenger or on comments on the video. I really wanted to put in a new speedo, maybe a digital, analog and digital. For there, I'm actually thinking of what I can do with the steering wheel. I was thinking about putting some button controls on it, but that's okay. Carry on, Koya. You should want to see you working. Yeah, so I'm all up for ideas on the dashboard at the moment. It's going to go black. Now, I don't know whether it looks very good if I just try to paint it. Or I could wrap it. Or I could cover it in the same covering that we're doing the seats in, but I still think that'd be a bit too much. Also, I'm trying to buy some switches. If anybody knows where I can get some switches. Some of the switches on here are worn. Obviously the electrician will be checking them all working. And also the ceiling, you know, it's all going to be black everywhere for black ops, but the ceiling is grey and that's in good condition. That's cleaned up quite well. So any ideas anybody's got on the ceiling, whether that can be, it's a sort of carpet material, so whether I should blacken that, I don't know. But yeah, I'm open for ideas and advice. Speakers is another thing I'm not too sure of. I don't know how great they are on a Land Cruiser. I have speakers already in the vehicle, which I've taken out obviously today. I will be buying probably a 7-inch, what's a 7-inch gap there, Apple Pay screen, and I need to have a reverse light in there, especially for off-roading. So that. will get ordered, but not until some of the other work's been done first, especially the transmission gearbox. And yeah, this here, probably just paint that black, see how it looks. We'll see. We'll see. I'll do an update in a couple of days. Also, what else am I getting done? Trying to find a winch. Somebody stole my winch. And what's the Land Cruiser if it can't pull somebody out? Yeah. So we've ordered probably some steel winch and a hook, or will do next couple of days to go on the front here. I'm also looking for ideas for lights. I'm not too sure what I can change with the grille and the lights here on a 1991 model 80 series. I would like to upgrade for the quality of the lights as much as anything. The lights that are in that are LED. Maybe just a couple of spotlights, maybe just a couple of spotlights in front of the winch, not sure, but we'll see. Please help any of you guys that have done refurbs and know these vehicles well. I'm up for any advice you can give me, because this is all new to me, and I'm not that mechanically minded. The exterior will be the last thing I do. So the plan was to, well, because we put a vote out and the consensus was we'll theme it Black Ops, will be to get either a wrap or a paint job done in black. And my mechanic stroke paint sprayer stroke everything is actually working on this car here. That was involved in a crash, and he's working on this one at the moment, and he's actually painting this one matte black. I've now seen his work. He's just doing the bonnet at the moment. I think he can probably carry on and do the work on the Land Cruiser. I just wasn't sure whether I wanted to give a mechanic that's a bit of an all-rounder the big job of the outside of the car, purely because it's got to look stunning, and I'd rather pay more to get more. And so that's why I was thinking of getting it wrapped. Gives us a few more options. But the spray job he's done on this so far, it's just started, I think looks good, and I think it looks so cool on mine. The wheels, I'm open for ideas. I keep saying black for everything, but any of you guys got a cool idea that would look good with the wheels, again, please let me know in comments, and I may take your advice or ask for your help or whatever. Okay, that's it for now. I will give you an update in a couple of days once the flooring's in and the seats are covered, and we'll see how it's looking then. See you all soon. Take care. Bye bye.